about some rare birds. So let's start. Blue heron. The great blue heron is a large wading bird. It's common near the shores of open water. The primary food for the great blue heron is fish. As large wading birds, they are capable of feeding in deeper waters. They may move slowly but can strike like lightning to grab a fish. The average lifespan of a great blue heron is around 15 years. Marvelous spatule tail. These are endangered species of hummingbird, found only in a small area of northern Peru. It has only 4 tail feathers, 2 of which are long, racket-shaped outer feathers. There is a large violet-blue disc or spatule at the end of each feather. These are very beautiful and unique birds. Puffin. Puffins are also called as sea parrots. They are short-winged and short-tailed birds. The head has a black cap. The face is mainly white. The feet are orange-red. They have beautiful, brightly colored triangular beaks. The puffins have the ability to hold several fish at a time, sometimes over a dozen, crosswise in their bill. Cassowary. Cassowaries are flightless birds, commonly found in deep forest. Females are larger and more brightly colored than the males. Its blue head is protected by a bony helmet or casque. They are considered as the most dangerous bird in the world. Secretary bird. It's a very large terrestrial bird with an eagle-like head and body on crane-like legs. This bird is famous for its snake hunting abilities. Secretary birds feed on small mammals, insects, and snakes. They hunt on the ground rather than from the air. They're found only in Africa.